In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out from all devices in Canva. This is really useful if you've logged into Canva on a shared computer, a school device, or a friend's laptop, and you want to make sure no one else can access your designs. It's also a good idea if you think your account might have been used somewhere you don't recognize. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Canva in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually showing your profile picture or initials, along with your name or account label. Click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with a few options related to your account. From that menu, go ahead and click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage things like your profile details, billing information, and of course, your login settings. Give the page a second to load so everything appears correctly. Once you're inside the settings area, look for the section related to logging in or security. This might be labeled Login, Login, or something similar, depending on any updates Canva may have made to the interface. Click on this login section to open the security and access settings for your account. Here, you should see an option that allows you to sign out from all devices. This feature is designed to end every active session connected to your account, whether it's on a computer, tablet, or phone. Click on the option that says Sign out from all devices. Before you do this, just remember that you'll need your login details to sign back in on the devices you still use, so make sure you have your email and password ready. After clicking that button, Canva will usually show you an on-screen confirmation prompt. This is to make sure you really want to log out everywhere. Carefully read the message, then follow the instructions shown. You might be asked to confirm your choice or re-enter your password. Once you complete these on-screen prompts, Canva will log your account out from all devices. When that's done, you're fully signed out everywhere, and your account is secure. You can then log back in only on the devices you trust.